Hey there, guys. Are you feeling anything missing here in this Magnite? It's generally Nissan Magnite in its black outer. In this photo, can you observe any difference? But the next photo tells you the whole difference. Literally, it makes a big difference with window chrome lining. This is the glass that which comes with window chrome lining. I have installed it to my quarter glass. As you can see, it improves the car's look up to great extent. I installed it by dealer itself. They are genuine chrome lining. They are genuine Nissan spare parts, but it needs the removal of the plastic compartment behind the quarter glass. So I will not recommend you to do that, but it improves the look up to very great extent. Now they are fixing the removed panel. Watch it carefully. I have been instructing them to do the work very carefully so that there will not be rattling sound. I have been done up to 2500 kilometers after installing it. I have installed it at my delivery. Till now I did not face any rattling sound from it, so I will recommend you to do that. By experience gained by them, they only removed the left side panel. They have done the work of right side panel without even removing the panel. Here is the whole process how they have fitted it again. They will cost you around 5000 rupees, which is very reasonable. Outside they will come for around 2 to 3000 rupees, but their quality will not be that great. I have been using it since 2500 kilometers. There are no issues till now. It improves the car look up to great extent, as you can see in the upcoming photos. I am unable to show how the whole process of installation because I was unable to shoot on this day, but my dealer was supportive, so I did install my chrome lining, window chrome lining. I think installing it will be great because it does not require extra wiring. It only requires some patience by the dealer as well as the owner, and also some budget. Outside you will get it at 3000 rupees, but it comes only for two doors, not for the quarter glass. For the quarter glass, again it feels empty, it feels ugly as well. It should appear like this without chrome lining of quarter glass. So I would recommend to do the chrome lining by the dealer itself. I think every dealer will not allow you to do it, but my dealer is very friendly, so he had allowed me to do it. So I have done it to my Magnite. As you can see, it appears so beautiful. This is the removed quarter glass of my vehicle. As you can see, they have removed the old quarter glass and they installed the new chrome lining. They have taped it also so that it sticks together strongly. It should appear like this without chrome lining of the quarter glass. So I would recommend to install the chrome lining at the dealer itself. As you can see, it appears dull without the chrome lining. This is the comparison between the Magnite which has chrome lining and which does not has chrome lining. Here is the supportive dealer who had allowed me to do the chrome lining to my Magnite. It is Hi-Tech Nissan of Kurnool. They are super friendly, so they allowed me to install the Nissan Genuine XV Premium models chrome lining to XV model. They did not argue with me, they just ordered the parts and they themselves installed it to my car. They took 5000 rupees, which is quite reasonable. It is the Magnite without installing the chrome lining. It looks dull when compared to the one which has the chrome lining. So please install chrome lining if you purchase a magnet, especially for black magnet.